Ever wondered if just 3 natural ingredients could give you a polished, squeaky, clean face in one wash? Stick around. I'm putting this to the test right now. You'll see the fresh pack go on and then the residue that comes off. It's got dirt and all. Let's see if this really works. First ingredient, gram flour. This super cleanser has been a skincare secret for ages, known for its ability to deeply cleanse your skin. Next up, we have almond oil. This nourishing ingredient not only moisturizes but also helps in giving your skin a natural glow. It's the perfect partner to gram flour, ensuring your skin feels soft and refreshed. Finally, we are adding a splash of rose water, known for its soothing and toning properties. Rose water helps balance your skin while leaving it feeling fresh and rejuvenated. This final touch ties everything together for a refreshing cleanse. And just like that, we have rounded up all 3 ingredients: gram flour, almond oil, and a touch of rose water. Let the magic begin. Now add 1.5 tablespoons of each ingredient into a mixing bowl. Mix all 3 ingredients thoroughly until the mixture becomes thick and smooth, with no lumps in sight. If the mixture seems too runny, don't hesitate to add an extra teaspoon of gram flour to thicken it up. Alright, time to put this magic mix on my face. Let's see it in action. Before applying, ensure it's lump-free. Let's go. Using an applicator, gently spread the mixture evenly across your face. Make sure to cover your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin, ensuring every area gets a smooth, even layer for the best results. Waiting time is 20 minutes. To remove the mixture, take a clean cloth or tissue and gently dry wipe it off with a bit of pressure. Avoid using water just yet, as there's a pre-step coming up before you wash your face. Now, check this out. Look at the dramatic change. The residue from the pack has turned significantly darker, showing just how much dirt it's picked up from my face. It's incredible to see the difference. Now, let's move on to the pre-step before washing. This step involves gently massaging the oil from the pack over your entire face. This helps to ensure all the benefits are fully absorbed before you rinse. Massage complete. Now it's time to wash it off. Pat your face dry Then follow up with toning and moisturizing to complete your routine. And there you have it. Fresh, dirt-free and polished skin with just 3 natural ingredients. Give this a try and see the amazing results for yourself. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DIY beauty tips. Stay radiant.